Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about ZCASH, the importance of ZCASH for the crypto market as a whole, and why we believe ZCASH topped out could be the top of the cycle for ZCASH, or at least a major top. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, guys. We're going to dive into this video. Make sure to get yourself Bitunix account. This is the only channel that's probably going to give you alpha every week consistently for the bear market. Get yourself Bitunix account to trade with us. Man, this is the best exchange to trade crypto, short in a bear, long in a bear. Anything you need, man, this is the best exchange. No VPN, no KYC. Check it out, link below. Free bonuses as well. Let's go into the video. So look, ZCASH, this is you can see ZCASH. That's the big picture chart, okay? This is 2018 top, okay? And this is the current top at 2025. All right, you can see it hits 730 here, 730 here. Almost hit the top of 2018, you know, and it's coming down from it. Okay, it's coming down from this level, which is natural after a huge move like that. This ZCASH made a huge from the lows. Let's say from here. Okay, let's say from September. Okay, broke out in September, and it made a 12x, something like that, from the breakout of September. If you measure it from the actual low, it's probably around like 15x or something like that. Well, let's measure that. Yeah, man. Yeah, but like 20x from September lows, from the September lows, man. Anyway, man, that's overperformance. Everything that goes up must come down. Remember this rule, gravity. People take profits. Okay, now we believe ZCASH topped completely here for a major top, if not the top, and it will go into a major correction or a bear market. Okay, let's look on the stochastic RSI, the weekly. You can see that's the weekly crossing down here. That's a bear breaking down here with bearish divergence. It made the higher high, and the stochastic made a lower high. Sorry. You can see it broke bearish here, and it's going down. Let's look on the 2 week. 2 week is crossing down now. Okay, 2 week is crossing down now. The two lines are crossing down. The other one still didn't cross, but the first one crossed. That's bearish. When the 2 week crossed down, that's bearish. Okay, again, we need to wait for another 5 days to confirm this cross, but that's not looking good. Okay, now daily chart. You can see ZCASH topped. Okay, this was your top here. You have a very weird type of a top. Okay, you can see that was your neckline. Okay, you had a low bounce. It was squeezing here. You can see it was testing this level, squeezing, lost this level, consolidate underneath, and boom, yesterday was the breakdown. ZCASH collapsed. Something like, you know, what is it, 20 something percent, almost 30%, 25% on a daily. That's very bad. Okay, that's very bad. And it broke below the 50-day MA. Probably heading to the 200, maybe to the 100. The 100 is this baby, around 260, but probably to the 200, man. And we believe eventually it's gonna take the 200 and go break bearish completely, break bearish and do a full retrace, because we believe Bitcoin triggered the bear market, and no crypto, no coin can survive the Bitcoin horror for like multi-months. Let's say ZCASH survived. Bitcoin topped in October, okay, in the early October, and ZCASH was pumping. Now it's gonna play some catch up with the Bitcoin horror, we believe, and it's gonna get cooked. Because that's what happened to cryptocurrencies. Once Bitcoin break bearish, eventually they are getting cooked. Okay, now look, let's look on some support and resistance. If you do hold ZCASH. Okay, so look, first of all, you have these areas around here, they're around the $200. Okay, and you have around the $300, and you have let's look on the fib here. Ooh, so extended, man. Look at this, so extended. This is a log scale. It's a log scale? Yeah, it's a log scale. Look at the dump on the linear scaling. It's good to look on log scale because it tells you how much it can drop more, it can dump a ton more. Let's look on the small time frame here. All right, you can see they're selling it. Okay, they're dumping it. The Zcash, you know, remember, when you trade crypto or invest, that's why never invest in crypto. Investing in crypto, if you invest only in Bitcoin after a bear market, that's the best time to invest in crypto. And then obviously have your selling plan, you know, let's say 2-3 years after your purchase, or once it hits your check marks, you know, your targets. Okay, but you gotta take your profit, because these coins are pump and dumps. Okay, they pump, okay, they pump, and then they can dump all the way down, man, all the way down, and then go sideways for 2-3 years before another pump, if it happens. Okay, so always take your profit. And this is very bad as well for the crypto as a whole, crypto market as a whole, because Zcash was the market leader. Zcash was the market leader for the last September, October, even November, November as well. And now, if Zcash topping out, crypto is in serious trouble. Sir, smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Look, I want to show you, we shorted Zcash. Okay, you need to know how to short, man, because the market is moving into a bear market. Okay, the best trades are gonna be shorts for the next probably year or two. Okay, obviously you're gonna have period of upside, but the major trend, the dominant trend, is down, and you want to learn how to short. Make sure you get yourself Bitunix account. You have a tutorial on how to short on Bitunix on my channel. I want to show you a trade we took in the membership. We are printing. Doesn't matter, Bitcoin go up or down. We're shorting the altcoins. Altcoins are garbage, scams. Look at ZCASH short. Okay, posted at 28th of November. Look at that. That was the trade. 28th of November. Here you can see it. 27th of November. Zk short the break below 469. Look at the Zcash chart. Look at that. That was our short trade right here. 469. We took the low here. Okay, we waited a day or two here, and then it collapsed. Look at that. While all the clowns are losing money consistently, we are printing consistently. 30% on this short, 50% on this short, 10% here, 20% here. Our accounts are going up. All the clowns you follow on X, YouTube, all the hodlers, the perma bulls, these people, they all are down 99%, and they're gonna go to total loss. They're gonna lose everything they have. Why? Because they don't respect risk, and they do not respect the dominant trend. The dominant trend flipped. Bitcoin topped early October, man. Bitcoin topped. Crypto is in a dominant bearish downtrend. If you're not shorting, you're losing. You're losing. If you're shorting, you're winning. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Do yourself a favor. Join our VIP. Where is my VIP? Where is my VIP? Follow me on X. I'll show you my X. Follow me on X, man. This is my X. You can see here. Follow me on X, Crypto Mindset $1. We post a lot of good stuff on Twitter. Good posts, nice posts to the you know, level-headed our audience. You know, join our VIP. I'll show you my VIP. Where is this baby? Okay, you can see this is my VIP. You can join my VIP, CM VIP. Try it out, man. That's the best place you want to be in the bear market if you're interested in crypto trading. The best place. We short crypto. We short the F out of this market. We've been shorting it already since October. Printing, blink, 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 blink. Amazing trade. We're always getting new trades coming. Make sure to join CM VIP if you want to get all my trade alerts, my market updates. I trade consistently. Pretty much every day I try to take a short if I get a short. Obviously all my trade I post on my membership, CM VIP. You get market updates, you get courses, you get unlimited, you know, general support. If you want the best of the best, join Elite VIP. This is for high net individual, or at least if you have 50K or more and you're serious about crypto trading and level up your game and level up your life. Check out Elite VIP and book a call with me once you join. This is for serious people. It's not cheap at all, but it's worth every dollar. You get monthly coaching calls, even more. You get more one-on-one calls with me. You get with Jomo as well. You get all the best support, or you get exclusive VIP trades to your phone. You get exclusive VIP, Elite VIP updates. You get the best of the best from the whole world. Check out Elite VIP. And if you want to learn just how to short, check out Bear Market Bootcamp coming on this Wednesday. Okay? Coming on this Wednesday, the Bear Market Bootcamp will teach you how to short, mindset, strategies, everything you need to how to short. Really, if you don't know how to short, man, quit crypto, man. Quit crypto, come back in 2027. Really, there is nothing for you to look for if you don't know how to short. You might have 1 month or 2 months of a little bear market rally at some point, but then the market will collapse to, oh boy, what's coming? The bears are gonna print. The bears are always, they're gonna print the most. And yeah, check it out. See you in the next video. Cheers.